Hey there, math explorers! Today we're going on an adventure with a cool tool called the abacus. It's super old, even older than your grandparents' grandparents. People have been using it for thousands of years. Imagine a world without calculators or even paper to write numbers on. That's where the abacus comes in. It's like a counting machine made of beads and rods. The abacus helped people add, subtract, and even multiply way before calculators existed. Pretty neat, right? It's still used today in many parts of the world. Ready to learn how to use it? Let's go. Okay, let's get to know our abacus. This ancient tool has been used for centuries to perform calculations, and it's still a fantastic way to understand the basics of arithmetic. It looks a bit like a frame with rows of beads. These beads slide back and forth along the rods, and each movement represents a different value. See those horizontal bars? Each bar represents a place value, just like in our number system. The bars help us keep track of units, tens, hundreds, and so on. The bar at the bottom is for the ones place, 1, 2, 3, and so on. This is where we start counting. The bar above that is for tens, 10, 20, 30, and so on. As we move up, each bar represents a higher place value. Easy peasy. Now, look at the beads. Each bead represents a number. When you move a bead, you're adding that number to your total. The beads on the upper deck are worth 5, and the beads on the lower deck are worth 1. This dual deck system makes it easy to perform quick calculations. Got it? Good. Now you know the basic parts of an abacus. With this knowledge, you can start using the abacus to add, subtract, multiply, and even divide. It's a powerful tool once you get the hang of it. Before we start counting like pros, we need to set up our abacus. It's like making sure our game board is ready before we play. We start with all the beads pushed away from the center bar. Think of it like a starting line. All the beads are lined up, ready to race. This means the abacus is showing 0. See, we're already doing math. Now our abacus is all set and we're ready to start adding and subtracting. Are you excited? I know I am. Section 4. Adding up the fun simple addition on the abacus. Today we are going to dive into the basics of using an abacus for addition. It's a fantastic tool that makes learning math both visual and interactive. Let's learn how to add on the abacus. This ancient tool has been used for centuries and is still a great way to understand the fundamentals of arithmetic. It's like playing a game with beads. The colourful beads make it fun and engaging, especially for young learners. Say we want to add 1 plus 2. This is a simple example to get us started. First, we start with 0 on our abacus. Remember, all beads pushed away. This is our starting position, ensuring that we have a clear slate. To add 1, we move 1 bead on the ones bar towards the center bar. This represents the number 1. Now, to add 2, we move 2 more beads on the ones bar towards the center bar. Look at that. We are visually seeing the addition process. We have 3 beads touching the center bar on the ones bar. This is the result of our addition. That means 1 plus 2 equals 3. The abacus makes it easy to see how numbers combine. See how easy that was? With just a few simple steps, we can perform basic addition. The abacus is not only a learning tool, but also a fun way to practice math skills. Keep practicing and soon you'll be adding larger numbers with ease. Section 5, taking away with ease. Subtraction made easy. Subtraction is like the opposite of addition. While addition is about combining numbers to get a larger total, subtraction is about taking numbers away to find out what remains. It's like taking beads away instead of adding them. Imagine you have a certain number of beads and you need to remove some to see how many are left. Let's try subtracting 2 from 5. This is a simple example to help you understand the basic concept. First, we start by representing the number 5 on the abacus. Make sure all 5 beads are aligned on the ones bar. Move 1 bead down from the upper deck on the ones bar, and that's it. This action helps in visualizing the subtraction process. Now, to subtract 2, we move 2 beads away from the center bar on the ones bar. This step is crucial as it shows the removal of beads. How many beads are left touching the center bar? 3. This is the result of our subtraction. That's right, 5 minus 2 equals 3. The abacus makes it easy to see and understand the result. See, subtraction is a piece of cake with the abacus. With practice, you'll find it becomes second nature to perform these calculations quickly and accurately. Section 6. Keep counting, exploring the world of abacus. We've learned how to add and subtract simple numbers on the abacus. Isn't it amazing how this ancient tool makes math so much fun? You can use the abacus to do all sorts of cool calculations, even multiplication and division. As you practice more, you'll become an abacus whiz in no time. So keep exploring, keep counting, and most importantly, keep having fun with math. See you next time for more abacus adventures.